Welcome to Section 1, Navigating the Digital Landscape Securely. In the digital age, we're presented with unprecedented opportunities for communication, collaboration, and commerce. However, this interconnected world comes with inherent security risks. Digital signatures and authentication protocols emerge as crucial tools in this landscape, safeguarding our data and interactions. Imagine sending an email or making an online purchase without any guarantee that the recipient is who they claim to be or that the information transmitted remains unaltered. The consequences of such vulnerabilities could be detrimental, leading to identity theft, financial fraud, or data breaches. Now let's dive into Section 2, focusing on digital signatures, ensuring data integrity and authenticity. Digital signatures play a crucial role in ensuring data integrity and authenticity in digital communications. They provide a mechanism to verify that a message has not been tampered with during transmission and that it originated from the claimed sender. Digital signatures rely on cryptographic hash functions and public key cryptography to achieve these security goals. A cryptographic hash function creates a unique digital fingerprint or hash value of a message. This property makes hash functions sensitive to any alterations in the data, ensuring data integrity. Public key cryptography, also known as asymmetric cryptography, uses a pair of mathematically related keys, a public key and a private key. The recipient, upon receiving the message and the signature, uses the sender's public key to verify the signature. Moving on to Section 3, Public Key Infrastructure, PKI, the foundation of trust. Public key infrastructure forms the foundation of trust in digital signature systems. It provides a framework for managing and issuing digital certificates, which bind public keys to the identities of individuals, organizations, and devices. PKI enables relying parties to verify the authenticity of digital signatures and establish trust in digital identities. A digital certificate is like an electronic passport that contains the subject's public key and other identifying information. Certificate authorities, CAs, trusted entities in the PKI ecosystem, issue and manage these certificates. The CA verifies the identity of the requester and issues a digital certificate, digitally signed by the CA's own private key. This verification process ensures that the certificate was indeed issued by a trusted CA and that the public key belongs to the claimed entity. Lastly, let's explore Section 4, Secure Sockets Layer Transport Layer Security, SSL/TLS, safeguarding web communications. Secure Sockets Layer and its successor, Transport Layer Security, are cryptographic protocols that secure communication over a network. These protocols are widely used to protect web traffic, ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of data exchanged between web browsers and servers. SSL/TLS establishes an encrypted connection between a client and a server. This encryption ensures that any data transmitted between the two parties remains confidential and cannot be intercepted or read by unauthorized individuals. During the SSL/TLS handshake, the client and server negotiate a shared secret key using public key cryptography. This shared secret key is then used for encrypting and decrypting the data exchanged during the session. SSL/TLS also provides authentication mechanisms to verify the server's identity. Section 5, IPsec, Securing Network Layer Communications. Internet Protocol Security, or IPsec, is a suite of protocols that provide security at the network layer of the OSI model. IPsec secures communication between devices at the IP packet level, offering authentication, confidentiality, and integrity for data in transit. It is widely used in virtual private networks, or VPNs, and other secure network communication scenarios. IPsec operates in two main modes: transport mode and tunnel mode. In transport mode, IPsec protects the payload of an IP packet, leaving the original IP header intact. This mode is typically used for securing communication between two end hosts. In tunnel mode, IPsec encapsulates the entire IP packet, including the original IP header within a new IP header. Section 6, Secure Shell, or SSH, Secure Remote Server Access. Secure Shell is a cryptographic network protocol that provides a secure channel over an unsecured network. It is widely used for remote server administration, secure file transfer, and other secure network services. SSH provides authentication, confidentiality, and integrity for data exchanged between a client and a server. SSH uses public key cryptography for authentication, allowing users to connect to remote servers without transmitting their passwords over the network. Users can generate SSH key pairs, consisting of a private key and a public key. The private key remains on the user's computer, while the public key is placed on the remote server. SSH also provides secure file transfer capabilities through the Secure Copy Protocol, or SCP, and the Secure File Transfer Protocol, or SFTP. Section 7. Real-world applications, from email to e-commerce. Digital signatures and authentication protocols have become indispensable for securing a wide range of real-world applications, from everyday email communication to high-stakes financial transactions. These technologies ensure the privacy, integrity, and authenticity of data exchanged online, building trust and confidence in the digital realm. Email security relies heavily on digital signatures and authentication protocols to protect the confidentiality and integrity of email messages. Digital signatures verify the sender's identity and ensure that the message has not been tampered with during transmission. E-commerce platforms rely on SSL/TLS to secure online transactions, protecting sensitive customer data such as credit card information during transmission. SSL/TLS encryption prevents eavesdropping and man-in-the-middle attacks, ensuring that financial transactions remain confidential and secure. VPNs allow remote users to securely access corporate networks and resources as if they were physically present on the network. Authentication protocols have a profound impact on everyday internet use, often operating transparently in the background to secure our online interactions. They enhance our online security and privacy, enabling us to browse the web, access online services, and communicate electronically with confidence. Web browsers rely heavily on SSL/TLS to establish secure connections with websites, protecting user data and privacy. When you visit a website secured with SSL/TLS, your browser verifies the website's digital certificate, ensuring that you are communicating with the legitimate website and not an imposter. Online banking and financial transactions rely heavily on authentication protocols to protect sensitive financial information. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide two forms of identification, such as a password and a one-time code sent to their mobile device, before granting access. Social media platforms utilize authentication protocols to protect user accounts from unauthorized access. Data protection and privacy have become paramount concerns in the digital age as we entrust more of our personal and sensitive information to online platforms and services. Digital signatures and authentication protocols play a crucial role in safeguarding our data and privacy, ensuring that our information remains confidential, accurate, and accessible only to authorized individuals. Data breaches and cyber attacks pose significant threats to data privacy, potentially exposing sensitive personal and financial information. Authentication protocols mitigate these risks by securing communication channels, preventing unauthorized access to data, and verifying the identities of parties involved in data exchange. Digital signatures ensure that data remains unaltered during transmission, preventing malicious actors from tampering with sensitive information, such as medical records, financial documents, or legal contracts. Data privacy regulations, such as the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, mandate strict data protection measures for organizations handling personal data. As technology advances, digital security faces constantly evolving threats and challenges. New attack vectors emerge, demanding innovative solutions to protect our data and privacy. Digital signatures and authentication protocols must adapt to these changing landscapes, incorporating emerging technologies and addressing new vulnerabilities. Quantum computing poses a significant threat to traditional cryptographic algorithms, potentially rendering current encryption methods obsolete. Quantum-resistant cryptography is an active area of research, aiming to develop cryptographic algorithms that can withstand attacks from quantum computers. The Internet of Things, or IoT, presents unique security challenges as billions of devices connect to the Internet, often with inadequate security measures. Secure authentication and communication protocols are crucial for protecting IoT devices from unauthorized access, data breaches, and malicious control. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is being leveraged for both offensive and defensive security purposes. Digital signatures and authentication protocols form the bedrock of trust and security in our increasingly digital world. They protect our data, privacy, and online interactions, enabling us to engage in e-commerce, online banking, social networking, and countless other online activities with confidence. As we navigate the digital landscape, these technologies will continue to play a critical role in safeguarding our digital lives. From securing web traffic to authenticating users and devices, these protocols work tirelessly behind the scenes, often transparently to the end user. They provide the assurance that our data remains confidential, accurate, and accessible only to authorized individuals, fostering a secure and trustworthy digital environment. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the threats to our digital security. Digital signatures and authentication protocols must adapt to these challenges, incorporating new technologies and addressing emerging vulnerabilities. The ongoing development and deployment of these security measures are crucial for maintaining trust and confidence in the digital realm.